Can I ask to all of you to grab attention? Let's do some warm up. You can stand up, guys. Can I ask you before I start my presentation? I would like you all to stand up. Like stand up. Let's do some warm up. We can start from our head, like moving it to the right side, then left side, forward and backward, right, left. Work with your shoulders. It's gonna be easy. Then it's gonna be hard, a little bit back. Let's rotate our waist. Let's rotate it. Let's rotate to the left side. Yeah, that's enough. We're not going to run today. Just sit down. I need all of you to be energized and focused to my presentation because it's gonna be a little bit difficult, but I promise you it's gonna be interesting. Today I'm going to talk about machine learning in insurance, what problems it can solve actually. My name is Islambek. I'm a senior data analyst at QIC Digital Hub. Previously I worked in a startup, I worked in the construction field and in classified. One thing was common in all these companies is implementation of machine learning. I truly believe that, can you go back please? I truly believe that knowledge sharing is always should be kept in humans nowadays, because by sharing knowledge, we are making this insurance tax better and better. First of all, try to answer to the first question: is it possible to use the machine learning in insurance? To be short, no. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, but it's sometimes possible. Because you don't know in advance whether this problem is going to be solved machine learning. You just always risk by using machine learning. And the final answer is, for now, it's yes. To answer to this question, let me give you 3 problems that we solved with machine learning. First one is motor policy renewal rate when we forecasted it. Second one is unpaid user portrait or profile in travel insurance. Third one is unknown user types in travel insurance. Let me start from first one. It's motor policy renewal rate. What do I mean by this policy renewal rate problem? At the beginning, we didn't know how many policies are going to be renewed in 2024. But we know that so many, what is the date of policy is going to end. So if we know the end date, we know that previous year we had some amount of policies and all are going to be renewed. But it doesn't work the same way because people forget about the policies next year and some prefer to use another, maybe car insurance company. That's why, to be more accurate, we decided to use time series forecasting model for Facebook profit. What we did, we trained our model with historical data for last year and added some regressors to be more accurate. They are Ramadan months, public holidays, COVID-19, because we know that not all online products are surviving right now, and a new landing page launched after September 2021, which is the QIC.online that colleagues presented in previous slides. And we have iteratively improved our model to be more accurate, to be more confident, and as a result, we get this following time series model. As you can already see, there was a spark increase of the online sales by renewal, and it was not kept after it. That's why we already included COVID-19. As a result, we get this frame that we forecasted for 2024 renewal rate, and these numbers we use as the target values for 2024. Second problem is unpaid user in a travel insurance. What do I mean by unpaid travel users profile? When our user come to travel insurance, we understood that after becoming aware of our product, in a pre-final stage of decision, before completing their payments, and in a decision stage, 33% of our users drop out. And we want to understand what makes difference between those who paid and who didn't do so. For that, we use classification model CatBoost. You may just have a question: why didn't you just try to compare who those paid and who didn't do so? But there is the problem. We have 26 and more features that we try to analyze, and some of them may create noise, and it's hard to detect what's really different here. That's why we use CatBoost model feature engineering to try to get important features for our comparison. And as a result, we got about 10 features which are truly important. First one is duration. For those people who do not pay, its duration rate is about 3 times higher. Second important thing is add-ons. People do not add any add-ons who do not pay. And the destination is quite same, Schengen and Georgia. And historically, they've never been in our product. 75% of them are new customers to our product. That classification gave us the main important ideas to focus on and to work on next. And the problem number 3, we want to understand what type of users do we exist in travel insurance, despite the paid and unpaid. What do I mean by it? We do not understand what user segments actually do we have. Do they differ between each other? And the marketing also had a doubt. Do we actually attract new users or existing ones who would already buy it? And in that case, we decided to use machine learning clustering model, which means that we're going to group similar users without predefined labels. It's actually going to work the same way. Like, we're going to have highly active users. These are going to be fans. These guys will love your product. Mostly these gain about 80% of your revenue. Then there should be low active segment, which just once in their life, maybe in a year, came to your product and bought something, they'll never come back. It's really hard to retain them. And there is a moderate segment which is going to be majority of your clients. And these guys also wanna choose you because they will love it, and our task to be loyal to them, to give discounts and try to move them from moderate segment to the highly active, from low active to moderate active segments. That's going to be our next, how we can improve and earn more money in travel insurance by personalizing by user types. I think it wasn't so difficult to consume. Let me recap what I've told you today. I have shown you 3 problems. These are motor policy renewal rate, which we solved with time series forecasting model. Second problem was unpaid user in travel insurance, which we tried to classify them by using classification models. Third one is unknown user types in travel, which we will use by clustering and try to solve. And you may have answered what's going to be next in a travel insurance. In insurance space, we hope that artificial intelligence is going to be a new state of using it. And this is my last slide. Thank you for your attention. This is my QR code. Please come, add to your contacts. I will answer to your all questions. Thank you. Please, if you have any questions. Now, then next speaker, Islambek.